If your Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal is cancelled with the message, "Cancelled for your protection," it could be due to various reasons such as security concerns, suspicious activity, or a problem with the recipient's address. Here's how you can address the issue. Check the withdrawal details. Ensure that the Bitcoin address you're sending to is correct. Double-check the recipient's address for accuracy. If there's any issue with the address, the withdrawal could be cancelled. Verify your identity. Cash App may cancel transactions to protect your account if it detects unusual activity. Ensure your identity is verified in Cash App. Go to the profile section and check if your identity verification is complete. You may need to provide additional information to confirm your identity. Clear Cash App cache. Sometimes, technical glitches or a corrupt cache can cause issues. Try logging out and logging back in, or clear your app's cache through your phone settings. Check out for account restrictions. Cash App may place restrictions on your account due to suspicious activity or a security concern. Contact Cash App support to inquire if your account has any limitations. Contact Cash App support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Cash App support directly. They can investigate the cancellation and guide you in resolving it.